Welcome back to Krishna's Lit Arena. So today we are moving on to the examples of statements of conversion of direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, so without further delay, let's move on. So the first sentence, you can just check out. He said, I travel a lot. Okay, so here he said, I travel a lot. So this sentence has been told by the subject. Okay, so I refers to the subject. So as I told you before, the words inside the quotation are the exact words of the subject. Okay, so here while conversion, you have to keep two things in your mind. Number one, while changing into indirect form, you have to remove the quotation. Number one. Number two, you have to change the verb and also the pronoun. Okay, so these two things are very, very important. Okay, so initially we have just seen the rules for different types of sentences. So today we are just going to see only for statements. Okay, and here I have given you, you can just make a note of it. So he said, I travel a lot. Okay, so while conversion, you have to write he said. Okay, so instead of this comma, okay, you have to just add that. Can you understand? So in statement, it is a rule that you have to add that. Okay, so he said that. Now we are moving on to the sentence. I travel a lot. So here when we are seeing, we can see the tense. Okay, so travel is nothing but the present tense. So as per the rule, I have just given towards the left hand side corner of the board. You can just check out. It is like if the verb is in the present, you have to change it into past. If it is in past, you have to change it into past perfect. I have told you. So here the sentence is so very simple, right? So you have to just check out what verb is that. Okay, so verb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in that the verb you have to check. So verb is nothing but the action word. Okay, so whatever the action we are doing, that is called as the verb. So if it is in present tense, you have to change it into past tense. Okay, so travel will be changed as traveled, ed, the past form. Understood? And here the pronoun is I. Okay, so this also should be changed. How will you change that? You have to check out to the subject over here. So here the subject is he. So he is only telling I traveled a lot. So while changing, you have to write he said that. I will be changed as he. Okay. Travel will be changed as traveled. So present tense will be changed to past tense. And the object will be as the same. It will remain the same. You don't want to change anything. So two things you have to keep it in mind. You have to remove the quotations. You have to add that. And you have to change two things. What are those? The pronoun and the verb. Keep it in mind. The tense form you have to change. If the verb is in present, you have to change it into past. If it is in past, you have to change it into past perfect. So the signature word for past perfect is nothing but had. Can you understand? Okay. So this is the first sentence. Now we are moving on to the second one. She said, I am working in Italy. Okay, so here also the same application of rule you can just follow. Am working. So this tense is nothing but present continuous. What do you mean by continuous? Whenever we have the ing form, it is being called as the continuous form. So am is the present form. Got it? So am and are, if they are there in the present form, it ought to be converted to was. Understood? So here the same format we are going to apply. So she said, this part, the first part, you don't want to touch at all. You don't want to change. So the exact one you can write, she said. So instead of this comma, okay, you are just adding that, right? So she said, I am working in Italy. So here, I will be changed as she, okay, because this is the subject over here, okay. So she said that she am working will be changed as was working, okay. So present continuous will be changed as past continuous. That's all, okay. And next, in Italy will be the same. It remains the same and there will be no change in that. Got it? Next sentence. She said, I have broken my leg. So whenever have comes, it is the present perfect tense. So one more is has. Okay. So if he, she, it comes, has will come. If I, we, you comes, have will come. So have and has, it belongs to the present perfect tense. So if the tense is in present perfect, you ought to change it into past perfect tense. Got it? So that will be easy. If you see have, obviously you have to change it into had. That's all. So very simple. Okay. So similar format. She said, the same you are writing. Instead of the comma, you are just adding that. I will be changed as the subject. So she, have will be changed as had. Simple. Okay. Had broken. Here, my leg has been given. So it is whose leg? It is the subject. So the subject is she. So you are supposed to change it into her. Okay. If suppose he said, it will be his leg. That's all. That is the difference. So depending upon the subject, you ought to change this one. Understood? Now, she said, I am planning. The similar one as the second one. The previous one, whatever we have seen. Okay. So here, am planning is present continuous. So am plus verb plus ing. So it is nothing but the present continuous format. So you ought to change it into past continuous. Okay. So she said, again instead of this comma, you will add that. I will be changed as she. Am will be changed as was planning to do it that day. Why is it that day? Because today that has been given. It will not be today because in the exact word it is today. So when you are reporting, it will become that day. Okay. So next one. He said, comma, I bought a car. Okay. So here you have to look out to this tense. Okay. So what is this one? This is nothing but the V2 form. V2 is nothing but the past tense. Okay. So as per the rule, what you have to do? If the verb is in past tense, you have to change it into past perfect tense. So what is the signature word for past perfect? Just you have to add had plus the verb form. Okay. So we'll see. So he said, comma, you have to write that. I will be changed as he. So bought is there. So what is the present of bought? Buy. Right? So buy, bought. So this is the second form. So it is a past tense. So you have to change it into the third form. It's nothing but the had bought a car. That's all. Okay. Now the similar one as past continuous. He said, comma, I was walking along the street. Okay. So was walking. Was is nothing but the past continuous. Okay. So when past continuous comes, you have to change it into past perfect continuous. The similar one. See, was you will be changing as was working. No? So here am working will be changed as was working. So here also the same pattern I have given one more, and here past will be changed as past perfect. If it is continuous, you have to change had plus the been plus the verb plus ing form. So the similar one, was walking will be changed as had been walking. Okay, so whenever past tense comes, you have to use the past perfect tense. Okay, so since here past continuous comes, you have to change it into past perfect continuous tense. That's all. Okay, so these are all the simple thing that you have to keep it in mind while changing. Okay, so the thing you have to keep it in mind is, again I'll just sum up, you please listen. You have to remove the quotation, you have to add that, you have to change the pronoun part, you have to change the tense. Keep it in mind. Okay, so these are all the things. So only if the verb is in present, you have to change it into past. If it is in past, you have to change it into past perfect. That's all. It is so very simple. Okay, so while changing, you have to check out the different types of sentence first. So if it's a statement, you have to apply these many rules and change it. Okay, thank you so much.